Advanced manufacturing is transforming how products are designed, built, and delivered. Robotics, automation, and semiconductor technologies are driving innovation across every sector of the economy. Houston City College partners with industry leaders to develop the skilled workforce needed for these high-demand fields. Through hands-on training, advanced technology labs, and industry-recognized credentials, students gain the technical expertise employers need to compete and grow. From semiconductor technicians and automation specialists to robotics professionals and advanced manufacturing innovators, Houston City College is preparing talent to help organizations stay competitive in a rapidly evolving marketplace. Future forward, Houston City College is building the workforce that will power the next generation of manufacturing and technology.